This weekend, the first tropical cyclone of the season is very likely to develop east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. Belal will move in a southwards direction and strengthen into a moderate storm by Saturday and will continue to strengthen most likely into a tropical cyclone later the weekend before slamming the islands of Reunion and Mauritius with hurricane force winds of more than 100 kilometers per hour and heavy rainfall on Sunday up until at least next week, Tuesday. It's an extremely dangerous system, especially for the islands, but it's currently no threat for Madagascar and South Africa. So let's get back to your weekend forecast. Back home this weekend, it's going to be a foggy start to your Saturday for the southern coastline here in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and foggy patches also likely in parts of the high veld, including Gauteng. More showers and thunderstorms since early expected to move over parts of the low veld. It will become extremely hot on Saturday afternoon over large parts of the Cape provinces, with isolated to scattered storms yet again in the forecast for the eastern areas and northern parts of South Africa. Overnight into Sunday, a few storms exiting the east coast. We're expecting more showers in the low veld and thunderstorms redeveloping over the northeastern areas with lots of sunshine over the central and western parts of the country. Here's your summary on what you can expect on Saturday. A slight chance of drizzle along the southern coastline. Isolated storms expected in northwest and Gauteng, becoming scattered over the northeastern areas, including Limpopo, Mpumalanga, as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We do have a level 2 yellow warning in place where severe storms could likely produce heavy downpours and lead to flooding here in parts of Mpumalanga, including parts of the low veld, as well as the interior and the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Similar conditions expected on Sunday with scattered showers and thunderstorms for the northeastern areas, yet again including the Eastern Cape and large parts of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as northern Gauteng, drizzle along the coast and the adjacent interior, also now including parts of the west coast and the northern areas of the Western Cape. Light winds expected this weekend over large parts of South Africa, but later a fresh westerly wind picking up here over part of the Northern Cape, reaching the Free State and the northern areas of the Eastern Cape, with an onshore flow expected along the southern coastline. Southerly winds then blowing strong on Sunday here over the southern coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia, with a fresh westerly wind expected over the western interior. Becoming extremely hot on Saturday afternoon here in the dark shade red in the Northern Cape, with maximum temperatures soaring to the upper 30s and close to 40 degrees. It's warm to very warm across South Africa and humid in KwaZulu-Natal and the low veld. Temperatures expected in the upper 20s in northwest Gauteng, the Free State, as well as eastern South Africa on Saturday and Sunday. Yet again, sizzling hot afternoon in Upington, soaring to a high of 38 degrees, 26 degrees expected in Cape Town, and a comfortable 23 for George. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go, and compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.